Hi, welcome to HDEXPO 2019 in Las Vegas. I'm going to be showcasing our mobile studio, which we toured last fall in 2018, and we're kicking it off in 2019 here in Las Vegas. Let's take a tour. My name is Matthew Gatto. I am the Senior Director of Global Marketing for Hufcor. And what we wanted to show here is a bunch of different things. We have a lot of things in this mobile studio for you to look at, but and I'm going to kind of go through some of these. I'm going to hit some highlights. We're going to touch on a few of the details. But if there's any questions, you can certainly reach out to your local Hufcor representative or myself. Call our 1-800 number at Hufcor or check out our website. This wall here is really to showcase our palette of designs and finishes. Really what this is here is an idea board, idea wall, to show anything from HPLs to laminates. This is actually a real stone finish. Veneers, fabrics, pretty much any surface that you can put on a wall, we can put on our operable partitions. Now at Hufcor we do glass wall, operable glass wall, and operable partitions. Operable glass wall, this is an example, this is our GF telescopic slider system. Our GF is our low profile framed glass wall system. It comes in individual, what we call individual or omni panels, or we can do paired panels or telescopic slider, as you can see here. This GF is designed with a telescopic slider system, and it actually has an aftermarket 3M film applied to it from a design perspective. You can do all kinds of design aesthetics with glass, obviously, and you can use this in many different ways. This telescopic slider system has 3, but you can do 5 panels. So 5 panels on each side, you can actually span up to about 40 feet, which is pretty neat. One of the other things we've done is we've looked at ways to take glass and make it more accessible for certain situations. This example is our panic egress handle on our, what we call our GL, our frameless glass wall. So we see this very popular, specifically banking industry loves this because they'll put this in their lobby around their ATM. If they can lock it, you can lock it from this side. But if there was ever a panic egress need, there's a panic egress handle for outside access. One of the other things that we've worked on is taking glass wall and our operable partitions and utilizing some different technologies. One of the things I'll show you real quick is a patented system that we've developed that allows you to pass power through movable walls, glass or operable partitions, operable glass wall. This system literally requires no wiring in the railing, no plug-ins, extension cords between them. This system is built into our panels, so as you set the panels, they connect. Continuity is supplied through all the panels once your wall is set, whether it's an operable glass wall or operable partition. Once the continuity is checked, it allows power to pass through. Literally, we can pass power. We can theoretically pass any information communication through that as well. And what that does is it allows us to do multitudes of things. And our GL frameless allows us to do LEDs. So you could laser etch this and change with LEDs the color and look of your glass wall. On an operable partition, what we're showcasing here is one of the big things that you might see in a lot of conference rooms or exhibition halls, banquet rooms in hotels specifically. One of the hardest things to ever find is power. Your phone's low on battery, your computer's low on battery, where do you get power? Now that we can do power and panels, we can do all things like 120 volt outlets, low voltage charging. We can do really creative things like pop out outlets. So you can get the aesthetics that you might see in a fixed wall in a movable partition. an operable partition. We also can do things like now with LED accent lighting, where we can actually go in and change the color of this system. This is simply a Philips Hue LED system built right into our wall. So to kind of understand those products, you see the glass wall we have here are our highest acoustic, one of the highest acoustic glass walls out there in an operable glass wall is our GU. It is an insulated glass unit and provides you maximum sound blocking, and it is one of our most popular glass walls when acoustics are of the highest demand. On the operable partition side, we're launching our new HX product. We carry a 600 series operable partition, which is known across the world, and we've just utilized the best of the best of what we know from our 600 series and our other manufacturing locations across the globe, and we are launching at HDEXPO our HX product. It is similar in a lot of ways to the 600. It's built with the durability and the reliability of the 600, but this product is all about design, technology, and innovation. It is very innovative in how it's designed. It will have that power delivery system built into it. We are launching it here without the power delivery system, but this is our initial launch, our initial start. And it's really about designer aesthetics. This is a HPL. We partner with Formica. This is their paint scrape. HPL, highly durable, impact resistant, easy to clean, but it's very designer, very chic. This actually has an aluminum trim. You can see how slim this trim is. We carry the HX in three trim levels. Normally most manufacturers carry two. We have a new third option, which is this Slimline. We actually have a couple different trim options, and I'll walk you through those. This here is the HX with a trimless, so you can see the edge band here. This is a crystal white magnetic marker board. So it's magnetic and it's a high pressure laminate. Durable, easy to clean, any marker. It is an amazing product, trimless, so no trim. If I push this panel back, what you'll see is the HX and our trimmed version. So you can see the trim's a lot wider, and the reason why most people were going to a trimmed product is because on an untrimmed product, even though aesthetically you get the nice reveals, you need edge protection. If they're taking a lot of abuse from moving back and forth, a lot of people want this edge protection to be able to protect the surface. So this actually is one of our options. This is in our new texture black, and this is another really beautiful piece from Formica, Black Fusion HPL. A beautiful, beautiful piece with our black texture paint. The other option that I showed you here with the gold and here with this silver, this clear anodized, is our new Slimline. So where the trim is more pronounced, we now have a much slimmer thin line version. So it gives you the aesthetic appeal of an untrimmed product that has more reveal, but it still gives you that edge protection you're looking for. It's kind of the best of both worlds. Nobody has this type of system in place. We've just rolled that out with HX. Very innovative, very chic. We can paint this in a multitude of colors as well. This here is another one of our HX panels in a trimless design. This is a Formica ebony ribbon wood with another piece below, a super matte anti-fingerprint. This is actually an anti-fingerprint surface that you can do in HPL. On the back side of this is a trimmed product. So I literally on one panel, I can have untrimmed on one side, trimmed on the other. I can get two completely different looks with one panel. And this one is in the new smoky brown pear with our black texture paint. Really sharp. This is from Formica. I believe this is going to be a very popular wood grain finish, a wood decor that looks it's a beautiful piece. So we talked a little bit about technology with the glass, with the LEDs, technology in the walls. Another example of where we've been able to take that connection system and adapt it in glass is on this with our GF. It's actually a switchable glass, on-demand privacy glass. With a simple touch screen, I can go in. And so right now it's all clear. Make sure the door is closed. I can, with the press of a button, make it go opaque. So you get on-demand privacy. With the press of a button, I can make it all clear.